So what exactly is Vishup? We are a remote staffing solution that helps busy entrepreneurs and small businesses build effective and reliable teams with virtual assistants, personal assistants, and bookkeepers. Our VAs are pre-vetted, highly trained, and skilled, making it easy for startups to handle everything from administrative support to specialized tasks like bookkeeping and social media management. With a talent pool of over 1,500 expert virtual assistants, we have successfully served more than 900 clients across the US, UK, and Canada. Our virtual assistants save businesses time, reduce costs, and make remote work easy and efficient. Number 1 is pre-vetted and highly skilled talent. Vishup rigorously vets and trains its virtual assistants, ensuring they have verified expertise in various skill sets. This includes administrative tasks, bookkeeping, social media management, and more. With freelancers, there's often a need to spend extra time on screening and assessing skills. With Vishup, businesses save that time and can trust the qualification of the VAs provided. Number 2 is quality control and reliability. Vishup provides ongoing oversight and quality checks to ensure its VAs consistently deliver high quality work. Freelancers may not have the same level of accountability as they operate independently. With Vishup, businesses have the security of knowing there's a team monitoring the quality and reliability of the service. Number 3 is continuity and backup support. If a Vishup VA becomes unavailable, Vishup can quickly provide a replacement to ensure uninterrupted service. Freelance VAs might leave suddenly or have other client commitments, which can create gaps in support. Vishup's structured approach offers much greater continuity. Number 4 is legal and contractual assurance. Vishup offers a secure and transparent contract, providing businesses with peace of mind regarding data privacy, payment terms, and service commitments. Freelancers may not offer the same level of legal assurance, making it harder to enforce contracts or ensure consistent service levels. Number 5 is dedicated account management. Vishup assigns an account manager who acts as a liaison to help businesses get the most out of their VA, handle any issues, and provide ongoing support. With freelance VAs, businesses typically need to manage the relationship themselves without a third party to help mediate or resolve issues. Number 6 is scalable and flexible plans. Vishup's structure allows for easy scaling. Businesses can adjust the level of support or add more VAs based on the changing needs. Freelancers may not have capacity or flexibility to scale up as quickly, potentially slowing down a business's ability to grow. Number 7 is experience serving high-impact markets. Vishup has a strong presence in the US, with experience in delivering virtual assistants tailored to these market needs. Freelancers might lack experience or insight into these specific markets, whereas Vishup's VAs are trained with this regional expertise in mind.